Welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey with Meat and Potatoes Organizing. This week, I want to remind you that we are a little over a month out from the start of school for the majority of people. And so wanted to start thinking about what we can do this week to prep for the school year just to make things a lot easier. There's a few things that I really want you to think about getting set up. And for me, and for some of the clients we've been working with lately, it's setting up an area that's an easy grab and go in the morning to get out the door. So sometimes that can include hooks and places where you can hang backpacks, be able to grab lunch bags, water bottles, shoes for the kids, and any other bags that might need to go out the door. So really honing in and creating that beautiful space where not only when you come home from school, you can hang up the bags and you can take the paperwork out and put it into a bin and all the artwork and all that stuff, but also maybe a little grab and go area for activity bags or things that you have going on, soccer or football or, dance, what have you. So we're starting now to think about how to optimize our mud rooms, our drop zones, our enter and exit strategy for the school year. So if you're feeling stuck, reach out to us, we can help. Otherwise, give it a shot and let us know how it goes. We'll see you next week.